An Italian professor in China's Shenzhen has said he's impressed with the wetland ecosystem in the city.
My name is Matteo Convertino. I'm an associate professor at the Institute of Environment and Ecology. I'm deeply passionate about biodiversity and how biodiversity is dynamically evolving in space and time across water-dominated ecosystem, which can be rivers, lakes, and the ocean as well. My aim overall is to understand the interconnection between species, climate, and habitat, because we can actually engineer. I came here because of the offer, because of the opportunity to work in this particular institute that is precisely bringing together ecology and the environment through an engineering angle. But also because of Shenzhen, because I believe it's an incredible place in terms of biodiversity, which is what I like. There are many unique species, unique ecosystem. Since I came here, I had a lot of opportunities in terms of research, in terms of partnership with industry and the government to a certain extent, to try to do something that makes our habitats better. The amount of connection that I had here in such a short time is incredibly high. And so at the moment, I'm really happy to work here.
In October, Convertino launched the Dasha River Ecological Survey, in which he invited citizens to join him in research on the collective behavior of fish to predict the river's macro-level biodiversity and environmental quality.
We are tracking each single individual fish using a model called particle tracking velocimetry that based on the feature of the images that are contained in videos, they are able to detect what type of different fish we can have and also their velocity. Based on the collection of all this property over time, we look into the cross-correlation between velocities, and that allows us to understand how regular or irregular the fish behavior is. And that's actually strongly associated to water quantity and quality parameter. So the situation in this part of the university town is that the river flow is constantly high and very homogeneous situation. And that's why the diversity of fishes is actually very low and the size is extremely comparable. So here the situation is almost too perfect. Nature works optimally when the heterogeneity is well organized, with diversity in terms of geological condition, plant condition, water condition. I wish to involve all the biodiversity lovers passionate about birds, plants, fish, insects, and many other species that are truly crucial to assess ecosystem health. It is important to monitor the environment, such as water quantity and quality, but we also must understand how ecological communities are changing whenever we change our environment. So I wish to create this database with public information, such as images and videos, possibly with GPS information and maybe other features that we scientists, but also public policy can use in order to improve our habitats.